Let's talk about this first combo. This one is size 32. It can go with the tights, and with the tights the pair would be for $35. And if you want to add the scarves with it, so these are the full length hijab, and these are 12. This one, these pearls one, are for $12 each, and this plain one is $10. So this is extra. The combo with the tights is for $35. I'm gonna show you the hijab in this one. You can see the width and the pearls in it. All right, guys. So this is our first combo. So the length is 29 inches. The chest is 15 inches. Length is 29, chest is 15, and this is size 32. Now I have paired it with the gharara. So with the gharara, it's going to be $50. And if you want this with the gharara, this is $10 usually extra. But if you are buying as a pair, I'm gonna give you this one for $5 extra. So the total cost of this pair is going to be $55. All right, so this is the next one. We paired it with the gharara, and this is size 32 as well. The chest is 15 inches. The length of the shirt is 29 inches. The length of the gharara is 32 inches. The reason why we paired it, as you can see, this is dhani color as this one, and here you see the border, it's green as this one. If you want it with this scarf, it's $55, but if you want it without this hijab, just two-piece, then it's gonna cost you $50. I'm gonna give you a closer look of the fabric. This is a cotton net, and here you go. You see this is all applique. This is the dhanak lace, and inside this is again soft cotton. It's actually cotton lawn mix fabric. This is a cotton net. The fabric of the gharara is also, it's very soft material, and from inside, as you can see, it's very soft for kids. It's not gonna bother them. So this is again cotton lawn mix fabric. It's very soft cotton. So if you want to pair it with the gharara, it's $50. If you want to pair it with the tights, so you can pair it with the skin color tights, with the blue tights, or if you already have maroon tights, yeah, why not? So it's gonna, with the tights is going to be $35, and with the gharara is going to be $50. For more inquiries, please contact Kirat or Mona. The numbers are appearing on the screen, and you can go to our page Stylo Blender on Facebook to see our other products. You can follow us on Instagram as well, but we are more active on Facebook page. Anyways, that's it for this video. So you guys take care, and we'll see you hopefully. Bye.